is the 18 Plumbing Services. We just did a drain snake out, clear out the drain, and we're gonna go ahead and test this baby right now. So we're filling up our sink, making sure our stopper's okay, working okay, make sure our overflow is working okay. It's gonna reach that level there, and it's gonna go into the overflow and out of the drain. Purpose for that is so that the sink doesn't reach the rim level and overflow out the top. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test that. That's looking good. Test that drain. Everything is cool here. It's draining. It's the sound of a good drain at 18 Plumbing. And there it is. 18 Plumbing Services.